This is how much 100 million views on YouTube paid me. There's the channel at Dorian Group 82. Go subscribe on YouTube for daily marketing tips. As you can see, we got 101 million YouTube views. We got over 2 million hours of watch time on YouTube. We got 187,000 subscribers on YouTube. That's how long we had the channel. That's the live count of our YouTube subscribers. That's how many views we got in the past 48 hours. And here's our YouTube revenue.
Hey y'all, this is Tamen Hade from TamenHade.com, and right here we have Dorian from Group 82 telling you how to make money on YouTube. With this video, I'm going to give you 3 different things that you can take home so you can start making money on YouTube ASAP. Before you do that, like and subscribe to the channel and definitely hit the notifications button. This is Tamen Hade, the genius, and I want to bring the genius out of you. All right, let's get right into it. Tip number 1 for making money on YouTube: you have to get monetized. So when you first start a YouTube channel, you can't just start making money from your YouTube channel. You have to get monetized, and you're probably like, what does that look like? So what monetization looks like from YouTube, or what they describe as monetization, is that you have to have at least 1,000 subscribers. You have to have 4,000 hours of watch time. There's a 2-step verification to make sure that you are you, and you can't have any community guideline strikes. So this is literally the base minimum of what you need to even start becoming monetized. I am currently not monetized yet, which is why I'm doing all of these videos. But the goal is to become monetized. So the way you do that is you get more subscribers, you get more watch hours, you make sure not to have any crazy strikes on your account. They just want to know that you are you. So I'm working on it myself, and I hope you guys are working on it too. The next tip, or tip number 2 for making money on YouTube, is you have to increase your views and watch time. So how this works is that, YouTube, they have algorithms that measure the success of a YouTube channel. There's a few ways that they measure this, but the main 2 ways that they measure this is that they measure how many views a channel gets, and not only views, but like how many views per video, and they also measure watch time, right? So those 2 things increase how you make money. So if you have a video that's let's say you have for example, a 10-minute video, right? And that 10-minute video gets 35 seconds of viewing time per person, and they have 100,000 views, right? They're gonna make a certain amount of money off of that, right? Now that same person has a channel, or like a video that has 100,000 views, but their watch time is 8 minutes of that 10 minutes. That person who has that longer watch time, they're going to make more money. And how they're going to make more money is because watch time shows that you are holding people's eyes, and they're going to put you in front of other people who want to watch content, right? So the longer people watch your content, the more money you make from your video, the longer you keep people on YouTube. And that's what YouTube wants. YouTube wants you to stay on YouTube, just like every other video social media platform. They want you to stay on their platform, right? So you got to increase your watch time. You got to increase your views so that people want to click on your things. And that's how you make more money, because you're making them more money. They can put ads on your videos. You know what I mean. Now, the third and final tip for you making money on YouTube is to go live. Going live is probably one of, if not the most important, pretty much one of the most important things for you to make money on YouTube. You're like, Tamen, why do you need to go live? I'm gonna tell you how you go. The importance of going live is that you have people who are engaging with your content in live, in real time. The beauty of this is that when you go live, you have people that can actually donate to your channel. That's the importance. I watch a lot of content creators go live, right? And one of the craziest things I see on some of them is that you'll see someone donate $5, someone donate $10, $20. You have a bunch of people donating to these people just because they appreciate their content, right? That's amazing. I think the biggest donation I've ever seen was someone got $400, right? And that was only one of them. Now there was other ones, you know, like 5, 10, 20, but it was like a lot of them that was $50, $50, $100. I saw one that was $200, then the biggest one was like $400. Now, if you're a content creator and you go live, let's say you go live every other day, and you're getting all of these different people donating to your channel, that is a massive way of creating revenue. And so going live is probably one of the best ways to make money on YouTube. So I hope you guys got some good information out of this video. And if you did, please hit a like, please hit a subscribe. Definitely follow me on Instagram. I hope you guys got some value out of this. You can also check out my website at Hade.com, where I'm going to have all of my beats and instrumentals that I'm selling going through my website. So you can definitely check it out there. And I hope you guys enjoyed yourself. Genius out.